So have you ever felt like you're stuck in a never-ending cycle? You set goals and make plans, but somehow, you always end up back at square one. You're not alone. We've all been there, feeling frustrated, overwhelmed, and ready to give up. But what if I told you that the key to reaching your goals isn't about having more time, more money, or even more talent? What if the secret is already within you, waiting to be unlocked? Today, I'm going to share with you the simple yet powerful steps to transform your life. Steps that will help you break free from the cycle of unfulfilled goals and finally achieve the success you deserve. It's time to stop dreaming and start doing. Are you ready to take the first step? Every journey begins with a single step. Whether you're dreaming of starting a business, running a marathon, or becoming the best version of yourself, reaching your goals requires dedication, perseverance, and a clear plan. But how do you turn a dream into reality? How do you stay motivated when the road gets tough? Today, we're going to explore the steps you need to take to reach your goals and live the life you've always imagined. Before start, if you want to be motivated and grow yourself, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. 1. Define your goal clearly. The first step to reaching any goal is to define it clearly. What exactly do you want to achieve? Be specific. Instead of saying, "I want to get fit," say, "I want to run a 5K in under 30 minutes." Clear, specific goals give you something tangible to aim for. Write it down. Research shows that people who write down their goals are significantly more likely to achieve them. When you write it down, it becomes real. It becomes a commitment. 2. Break down your goal into manageable steps. Once you've defined your goal, break it down into manageable steps. Think of these steps as your roadmap. If your goal is to run that 5K, your first step might be to start jogging for 10 minutes a day. Then gradually increase your time and distance. This way, you're not overwhelmed by the end goal. Instead, you're focused on the next step, the next milestone. Every step you take is progress, no matter how small. 3. Create a routine and stick to it. Consistency is key. To reach your goals, you need to build a routine that aligns with them. Create a daily or weekly plan that incorporates the steps you've identified. Set aside specific times for working on your goal and treat these times like important appointments. Remember, routines are powerful. They help turn actions into habits, and habits are the building blocks of success. 4. Stay motivated and overcome obstacles. There will be days when you feel like giving up, days when the goal seems too far away. It's during these times that your motivation will be tested. Keep your why in mind. Why did you set this goal in the first place? Remind yourself of the reasons behind your journey. Visualize your success. Imagine what it will feel like when you cross that finish line or achieve that dream. Surround yourself with positive influences, books, videos, and people who inspire you. And remember, every obstacle is an opportunity to learn and grow. Every setback is a setup for a comeback. 5. Track your progress and celebrate milestones. Tracking your progress is essential to staying motivated and on track. Keep a journal, use an app, or create a visual tracker. Celebrate your milestones, no matter how small. Did you run for 15 minutes straight today? Celebrate that victory. Did you complete a chapter of that book you're writing? Give yourself a pat on the back. Celebrating your progress not only keeps you motivated, but also reinforces the habit of taking action. 6. Adjust and adapt as necessary. Life is unpredictable, and sometimes the best laid plans need adjustments. Be flexible and willing to adapt. If something isn't working, don't be afraid to change your approach. Remember, the goal is the destination, but there are many paths to get there. Adjust your sails, but keep moving forward. The only time you truly fail is when you stop trying. Reaching your goals is a journey, a journey that requires patience, perseverance, and passion. But it's a journey that is well worth taking. Every step you take, every challenge you overcome, brings you closer to the life you desire. So, define your goal, make a plan, stay committed, and never give up. The power to achieve greatness lies within you. You just have to take that first step. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Subscribe for more motivation and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Stay inspired, stay focused, and reach your goals. This is the way of the Lord.